Sometimes it's 1 step forward, 3 steps back. Sometimes it's 3 steps forward, 1 step back.
Damn. That's exactly what I didn't want it to do.
The only thing occupying the space in my mind is this A-frame. How to build it, how to work with the timbers. Should be ready to pop. I don't know why it isn't. Should be coming apart now. How am I gonna get the material? Because I want it to be easy. Everybody wants it to be easy. But timber just isn't reacting the way I wanted. Ow! Right in the shin. Which, I mean, it'll give a cool twist to the timbers, which is going to make it look a lot cooler, more interesting inside, but it just makes it harder to work with. I feel like I'm making really slow progress with this, and it's kind of annoying me. But I also haven't split any log this big, ever. So, there is that. Just let go. The timbers, however, are very strong, which is good. I know I'm not going to get this done before winter, which is kind of a goal. And that's probably due to the fact that the timber isn't straight, and I'm doing a lot of this by myself. Because I'm the only one that knows how to hew and rive lumber. It is true that many hands make light work. Very few hands make very heavy, very laborious work, which is where I'm at right now. Gotten the footer timbers hewed up, the beams. At least mostly. They need cleaned up before they can be used. I've started splitting this giant oak, which will be the uprights for the A-frame. And we finally got that burn pile moved out of the way. It was just all in my way. It would make it so hard to get 40 bags of concrete down here. I'll still try to come down here every morning if my body hasn't given up on me yet. It's a lot of weight to be moving. It's peaceful down here though. So much more peaceful in the woods. You can hear some cars, but mainly just the birds, the wind, the bugs. I wanted to get a lot more done today on this, but I don't think my knee is gonna let me. I mean, I got a little bit done. Enough to at least be mildly okay with the work I got done today. I think one of the biggest things with people today, and I don't know if it's just me or if it's society or whatever, but it's finding achievement in whatever you do. Even in the smallest things, there is achievement, but no sense of gratification. And it's really hard to feel okay with what you've done during a day when everything else is telling you that it's not enough. Either you feel like you're doing too much or you're just not doing enough. And maybe through this whole process, I'll learn to be patient, to be okay where I'm at, be okay with what I've gotten done during the day. It'll just be an ongoing process. Little by little, step by step, piece by piece. And if I want to keep using this body, I probably should listen to the signs that it's giving me. Work on whatever else I can work on. I'm gonna ice my knee. I'm gonna use this amazing stuff called Penetrate. Better than Biofreeze. And I'm going to let myself recover. Because sometimes that's all you can do in a day. And that in itself is an achievement. Just being able to sit with yourself and relax, reset, and heal.